Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you another tip. This is going to be how to change your display, your instrument display, using that button right there, the view button on that screen right there. The requirements: you must have Volkswagen's Digital Cockpit, the second generation, the second version of it, not the first. But you have this view button right here. This is your widescreen. By pushing this button right here, I now have a crop screen. There's all this information over here and also over here on this side. Hitting it again brings up the dial screen. Right there is a dial and over there is a dial. That's your virtual tachometer and your virtual speedometer, I should say. Inside of that shows the gear. Over here shows the speedometer as well as the needle on the outside. So if you want to change what's displayed there, here's what you'll do. Go over to your radio, hit the car button. With the car button, if I go back here, I want to get to active info display. It's already here. But active info display is under the instrument cluster setup in your radio settings. So when you get to that, you see this little guy right here. This is your gear and this is your speed over here. I can just move to set one of these with 1, 2, or 3. Classic is going to be automatically set and auto is going to be automatically set. That's why I couldn't turn that. Now I can change what displays here. So over here I have assist systems and fuel, and there it is there. If I flick this up one, I now have route guidance and fuel. There's my route guidance. It's not active. If I flip it up again, I now have dynamic road sign display. No road signs are available. Fuel. Now I've got fuel on both sides. So I can change these. Really cool that you can do that, and you can set it up. Travel time, right there. Or I can go back to route guidance, distance, fuel economy. Show that right there. So you can change what is displayed in here. Acceleration. So you can show all these different things here. Or I can go back to classic. Classic goes back to default. Auto, back to default again. So these are really cool setups here. This is how you tweak it. So if I have this guy right here on the crop screen, I now have fuel in 2 places. I also have since start, and I have that in 2 places as well right here. So you can change your data, how it's displayed there. And again, hitting this button right here takes you out of that and takes you into a wide screen or a crop screen. And then there's also a long hold that I can do on this view button that brings up the auto, classic, view 1, view 2 on the actual instrument screen right here. That is pretty cool. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comments. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. I'm also on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Also Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.